Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to moderate comments and reviews in Gridbox. We'll explore the moderation tools available on the website for moderators, and then take a look at the moderation workflow in the Gridbox Administrator panel. Comments and reviews can be moderated directly on the website by users who have been assigned the moderator role. As we learned in the previous lesson, moderators are configured in the app settings. For moderators, a three-dot menu appears in the upper right corner of every comment or review. From this menu, the following moderation actions are available. Approve a pending comment or review. Spam, mark the submission as spam. Ban the user from submitting future comments or reviews. Delete, permanently remove the comment or review. These actions allow moderators to quickly manage user-generated content without accessing the administrator panel. Moderation can also be performed from the Gridbox Administrator panel. In the navigation sidebar, you'll notice counters next to the comments and reviews icons, indicating the number of unread submissions. Open either application to access the moderation interface. Unread comments and reviews are highlighted with a gray background, making them easy to identify. For quick moderation, you can use the toolbar, which provides the following actions: approve, spam, delete. Under More Actions, you'll also find Mark All as Read, Mark All as Unread. To review a submission in more detail, simply click on it. The Details window displays additional information and allows you to change the submission status to Approved, Pending, or Spam. You can also click the eye icon to open the page where the comment or review was posted. If necessary, you can ban the user directly from the moderation window. The moderation workflow is identical for both the comments and reviews applications. Gridbox provides a simple and efficient moderation system for both comments and reviews, whether you're managing content directly on the website or from the administrator panel. With powerful moderation tools and flexible user management, keeping your community clean and organized becomes quick and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.